What's up guys, in this video I want to talk a bit about why you should run your bevels non-destructively. So let's say we have a boolean cut right here and we want to run a little bevel right here. So we'll do like 10 segments and we want to, cut out this corner and the corner of this cube. Well, first of all, we'll shade this smooth and turn on our auto smooth function, same with this one. And then we'll just run a difference boolean right here. There we go. So all is fine, we have our boolean cut in here and there's no issues really. But sometimes what you want to do is you want to scale your cutter. Maybe you want to scale it a bit on the X, maybe you want to scale it a bit on the Y or whatever. So let's say I want to scale this a bit on the X, kind of like this. Now you're going to see when I do that, the bevel gets more and more skewed as we go in. Now this wouldn't normally be an issue, but we don't want a skewed bevel, we want to have it nice and uniform. So usually what you would do is you would apply the scale, Control A. But in this case, nothing happens because this bevel was already locked in. We did a destructive bevel. We went into edit mode and beveled it manually, so that geo is already locked in. Now if we run the bevel non-destructively, it'll actually update this bevel, make it uniform when we apply the scale. So if you want to have a bit more versatility with your bevels, what you want to do instead is have something like this. And instead of running the bevel manually, what you want to do is go to the bevel modifier, set the limit method here to weight, and just go up here to the end panel, item, and increase the edge data bevel weight to 1. And essentially this is going to allow you to adjust the bevel more non-destructively, meaning it's not locked in. So we can increase the segment count here to 10. And now check this out. We'll go ahead and shade it smooth, auto smooth, you know the drill. And if we were to run a difference boolean and later on we decide we want to scale this like that, even though it's skewed, what we can do now is Control A and apply the scale. And since we're working non-destructively, it's going to automatically update the uniformity, if that's even a word, of the bevel here. So if you want to have more control over your bevels, this is how I would usually run the bevels. Keep them non-destructive so that way you have a lot more room to change things. So that's about it for today's video. Hope this helped out, and I'll see you in the next one.